Today I'll be showing you how to download a font onto your computer and then how to use that font within Cricut Design Space. Now there are tons of places online where you can either purchase fonts or get fonts for free. The one that I'm using for the example today is a free font that was on Creative Fabrica. So regardless of where you get your font, the process should be, about the same, and it only takes a couple of steps. So let's get started. So here's the email with the free font bundle. I'm going to click on Get Free Font Bundle, and that will take us to Creative Fabrica. Then I'm going to click this green download button. And my downloads pop up on that bottom left-hand corner there. So click on that download and you'll see the blue folder, and that has all of our fonts in there. So double click to open the folder. And there you see there's the 45 or however many free fonts. So let's just pick one as an example because now we need to install the font on our computer. So let's pick Beautiful Natalie. Double click on that folder and then double click one more time on the font. And now it's going to give us the option of installing the font. Now this font is on our computer ready to use. The next step will be to go and open Cricut Design Space, and I'll show you how to use that font in Design Space. So I'm just opening up my app here, and I sped up this next part because as luck would have it, I was due for an update. But here we go, we're finally opening up Cricut Design Space. Click on New Project, and then let's create a text box. I'm going to write my name, Lisa, and now we want to use that new font. So go up to your fonts, and then you're going to click on System because it's not in Cricut, it's on our computer, remember? So let's see if we can find it here. Let's just type in Natalie and see if it pulls up. There it is, Beautiful Natalie. Click on the font, and those are all the steps. So as you can see, it's a simple process. It only takes a couple of steps. And once you get used to doing that, you'll be able to do it super fast, and then you'll have a much bigger variety of fonts to craft with than just the ones in Cricut Design Space. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the Design Space fonts, and there are some super cute ones, but I feel like they're a little bit lacking in the scripted and cursive fonts. So usually when I want to do a project with a scripted font, I'll go to a different website, download it, and then go through the steps like we did today. Dafont.com is another really popular website for free fonts. Just be aware that most of the fonts that you download from there are for personal use only, so you can't make something with that font and then sell it. Always make sure that you have the commercial rights to an image or a font before you start selling it. And that's another thing about the Creative Fabrica downloads is that those all include the commercial rights. So anyways, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe if you want more Cricut tutorials and crafty content.